Apple MacBook Pro laptops for 2023 could be disappointing. The rumor mill is spinning once more concerning Apple, and this time we've heard spillage on the topic of what Macs will be coming out in 2023 and to prepare for some disappointments. This all comes from a renowned source on all things Apple, Mark Gurman. In his latest Bloomberg Opens in New Tab newsletter, he touches on what's next in terms of MacBooks, the Mac Pro, and the iMac, or what isn't next, at least not this year, in the latter case, as you'll see. As ever, treat rumors with plenty of caution, even those from more reliable sources. According to Gurman, we will see new MacBook Pros in the first half of 2023, but they will have exactly the same design and features as the existing 14-inch and 16-inch models, with the only real upgrade being the inclusion of M2 Pro and M2 Max chips. However, even on that front, the performance boost will be marginal, Gurman asserts. What could be more exciting is Apple's apparent plans for a MacBook Air 15-inch laptop, which could be the saving grace for the entire Mac range this year, though Gurman doesn't say what it'll pack. He also tells us that a previously rumored MacBook 12-inch isn't coming, or at least it isn't on the roadmap for the near future. There will be a new Mac Pro for 2023, but that also disappoints in some respects. Gurman believes that a high-end Mac Pro spin, with a 48-core CPU, toting 152 cores for graphics, has been cancelled, and Apple is instead simply pushing out a model with the M2 Ultra chip. That throws some question marks over how it'll compare to the Mac Studio in terms of value, Gurman notes, and the new Mac Pro will supposedly look the same as the 2019 version, too. There's further disappointment in an apparent change that means the system RAM won't be upgradable by the user, because the memory will be soldered directly onto the motherboard. To round off the rather lackluster state of affairs, a larger iMac Pro, which has been mulled by Apple as a possibility, popping on and off the product roadmap, according to Gurman, now looks unlikely to appear. Gurman observes, "I would be surprised at this point if it arrives in 2023. As for a revamped iMac 24-inch, that won't go ahead until the M3 Society is ready apparently, so that's likely to be 2024 or perhaps at the end of this year."